Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Speed Reading Mastery Double Reading Speed Skill Share Class. Lecture 5. Introduction. Why Speed Reading Matters. Chunking and Grouping Words. Using pacer tools and technique was adjusting reading speed. Applying different reading techniques. Practicing timed reading drills. Why speed reading matters. In today's fast-paced world, time is a precious commodity. With so much information to consume, it's important to be able to read quickly and efficiently. That's where speed reading comes in. By increasing your reading speed, you can save time and improve your productivity. But speed reading isn't just about saving time. It also has numerous cognitive benefits. Studies have shown that speed reading can improve comprehension, memory retention, and overall cognitive function. So not only will you be able to read faster, but you'll also be able to retain more information. Chunking and grouping words. Chunking and grouping words is a technique that involves breaking down longer phrases or sentences into smaller, more manageable chunks. By doing this, the brain can process the information more efficiently, which can lead to faster reading speeds and better comprehension. For example, instead of trying to read an entire sentence at once, you might break it down into smaller groups of words. This could involve grouping words by their meaning or by their visual appearance on the page. By doing this, you can train your brain to recognize patterns and anticipate what comes next, which can help you read more quickly and accurately. Using pacer tools and techniques. Pacer tools and techniques are designed to help readers regulate their reading speed. One common technique is finger pacing, where the reader uses their finger or a pen to guide their eyes across the page. This helps to keep the eyes moving smoothly and prevents them from jumping back and forth, which can slow down reading speed. Another technique is called rhythmic reading, where the reader matches their reading speed to a set rhythm or beat. This can be done by using a metronome or by simply counting in their head. Rhythmic reading can help to increase reading speed while maintaining comprehension. Adjusting reading speed. When it comes to reading, adjusting your reading speed is crucial for effective comprehension. One way to do this is by taking into account the complexity of the material you are reading. For example, if you're reading a scientific paper filled with technical jargon, you may need to slow down and read more carefully to fully understand the content. On the other hand, if you're reading a novel or a news article, you may be able to read at a faster pace without sacrificing comprehension. Another factor to consider when adjusting your reading speed is your familiarity with the subject matter. If you're reading something that you're already familiar with, such as a topic you've studied extensively, you may be able to read more quickly than if you're encountering the material for the first time. In contrast, if you're reading something completely new, you may need to slow down and take more time to absorb the information. Applying different reading techniques. When it comes to reading, not all texts are created equal. Different types of texts require different reading techniques to extract the most meaning from them. For example, when reading a novel, it's important to pay attention to the characters and their motivations. While when reading a scientific paper, it's important to focus on the data and methodology. Practicing timed reading drills. One effective way to improve speed reading skills is through practicing timed reading drills. These drills involve setting a timer for a certain amount of time and then reading as much material as possible within that time frame. The goal is to gradually increase the amount read within the same time period, thus improving reading speed over time. It's important to choose appropriate materials for these drills, starting with easier texts and gradually increasing in complexity. It's also helpful to focus on comprehension as well as speed. So taking notes or summarizing what was read after each drill can be beneficial. Conclusion. In conclusion, speed reading techniques and strategies offer effective ways to increase reading speed and efficiency. Methods such as skimming, scanning, chunking, eliminating subvocalization, using a pointer, and expanding peripheral vision can all contribute to faster reading by practicing these techniques and exercises regularly. Individuals can enhance their reading skills and productivity, however. It is important to strike a balance between speed and comprehension, as certain texts may require slower reading for better understanding overall. Speed reading techniques provide valuable tools for those looking to improve their reading speed and optimize their reading experience.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.